What it do? What's up? Kenna? Hey. What's pop-a-lockin'? Curly crew, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your good sis CurlieCrys, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to your girl's channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and make it official by doing one thing and one thing only, and that is to smash that button down below for your girl, okay? Smash that button down below. Subscribe and join the Curly crew because we would love to have you. So today's video is going to be refreshing old hair. My hair is not dirty, it's just old, so I figured I did need to do like a whole wash day routine. Instead, I kind of just want to style on dirty hair, or old hair I should say. This is the result from I did a flexi rod set and then I braided it all back and put a wig on for like the weekend. So my hair is literally not dirty, y'all. I'm not about to wash my hair again. I'm gonna just style on some dirty hair and hope that these results do pop. Cause y'all know sometimes the results be popping whenever you be working with dirty hair, okay? I'm also gonna be giving you guys a life update. And mainly because I feel like on this channel, I don't really go in depth anymore with my personal life ever since I started my vlog channel, which is Crystal Nicole. So ever since I started the vlog channel, which you guys see a whole lot more of my personal life in that channel, I don't really talk about anything on this channel other than my hair. So I want to get more into that, more in depth, also give you guys a life update. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. So the products that I'm going to be using on my hair, I already have the Cream of Nature spray leave-in in my hair, so I'm only going to be using a cream, and that's the Defining Butter Cream by Bounce Curl. I have not tried this and I have not used this in about, girl, like 6 months maybe, or like 5 months or something like that. It's been a very long time, but I loved it. And then I'm also going to be using the Melanin Hair Care oil to seal that moisture on in. And then I'm also going to be adding some of my girl Hey Curly Revitalizer Oil Blend to my scalp, just to make sure that, you know, the scalp ain't dry. So let's go ahead and hop right into it, baby. So my hair is looking like this, and it's pretty stretched because I did have braids in it, and I also had that rod set. So the hair is herring and doing what needs to be done. It looks a hot, dirty mess with no definition, but that's okay because we finna fix that right now. This is like my first time styling on dirty hair, and girl, a long time. Would it be a tutorial of mine if I did not forget the clips? No. Side note, y'all, let me know if my hairline look a little bit pushed further back to y'all, because I know y'all be knowing me better than me, and I can't really tell if I'm losing my edges, but y'all let me know if y'all think I'm losing my edges. Okay, so let's get right into the life update. So the last thing that you guys saw from me that was kind of on like a personal level was when I talked about me creating a separate vlog channel and no longer doing vlogs on this channel. So the reason for that, y'all, was because when it comes to vlog content, I was starting to see like a lot of my followers weren't really here for that type of content. And I really do enjoy creating vlog content, and I really wanted to be taken and accepted in a good light, you know? I don't want it to be just I create vlogs and like literally 2% of my following watch it. You know, like that sucks. I was like, man, I'm creating all this content. And I understand because like this channel was not initially started with vlogs. Girl, are you gonna come apart? So it was kind of hard to, you know, ease that on in here and expect for it to be liked as much as I wanted it to. But at the same time, I just felt like the amount of people who were engaged and actually interested in my vlog content, I can get that same amount of people on a separate channel, and that channel be based around lifestyle content and for lifestyle content. So I just felt like it made more sense. But in all honesty, I really wish that I could have kept my vlog content on this channel, because it just made, I worked so hard to get this channel to almost 90K subscribers, which I mean, give it up, okay? Like almost 90K subscribers. So it's like I really did not want to uproot all that and start a whole channel from zero, you know what I mean? But I just felt like it kind of had to be done because I also wanted to do stuff like Vlogtober, which is like posting a video every single day. So I don't really like the idea of having to start all over with the channel from zero, but I mean, it's a journey. I really wish I could have continued posting my content on this channel, but I just know how confusing it would have been for my subscribers and also newcomers. But I just don't understand how I would have been able to transition my channel to be more lifestyle content instead of like just hair content, you know? So if you are interested in my vlog content, which I know a lot of you guys really did like my vlog, so if you are that kind of person, then please follow my Crystal Nicole page and you can still catch up with me and watch all my vlogs over there. So what I'm gonna be doing with my hair is wetting it, and then I'm going to detangle it with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and then I'm going to apply my defining butter, which this thing right here, like this product, it kind of takes me, oh, I forgot it smelled like that. It smells like a little bit like an old person, like a man's or old person cologne. But it works really good on my hair, but I feel like it works the best whenever I show, like whenever the end results come, and then it's like bam. So then I'm gonna go in with some of my Melanin hair care oil, and then I'm gonna take my Tangle Teaser brush for some definition, and then we're gonna start to twist. But guys, like I literally started this channel 5 years ago, and I kind of feel like, well, it's the fact that I've evolved and grown into something else. Like I'm literally a married woman, which we'll also get to talk about the married aspect of my life too. But I'm a married woman in my mid-20s. Like I just feel like when I started this channel, I was in college. I was still trying to figure out what I wanted to be, like, you know, what I wanted to do. And I feel like I'm evolving into someone else and maturing in so many ways. So I really want to share that lifestyle aspect with you guys. So I understand that it couldn't happen the way I wanted it to on this channel. I feel very happy to say that I'm still able to share that part of me with you guys, which y'all, I feel like comparing the two channels, I'm literally someone completely different on my vlog channel. Like you see way more who I really am, way more my personality, what I'm into, you know, the feminine side of me, stuff like that. So it's a beautiful thing, and just something that has to be done. Let's move on to the personal life. So we are coming up on 1 year of marriage in January. So we are taking our honeymoon, oh my gosh, girl, that was a year ago. We are taking our 1 year anniversary trip, and yeah, it's crazy to say that I've been married for just about a year now. Like, girl, how? Like, how is it possible that I've been married for a year? Y'all let me know, okay? I feel like this year went by so fast, mainly because of the pandemic, and also just being so busy with, like, you know, adjusting to a new life with a husband, like moving. Y'all know we moved to a separate apartment. Just all those things combined, it really just made it go by so quickly. And if you want like more information about my relationship and stuff, like I do post Nick more so on my vlog channel, like in my vlogs and stuff, but I'm really starting to be more, I don't know, I guess you could say private about certain things. I don't know. I kind of just feel like that's the way that I'm leaning towards as of lately. Like I'm like sharing less about my relationship for sure, and just like living my relationship more so in the moment versus like putting it all on social media, you know? And that also shows how I'm maturing, because 3 years ago, Crystal would not have said something like that. She would have been like, girl, you gonna post this, you gonna post that. Which, I mean, if you are someone who posts stuff about your relationship, girl, nothing's wrong with that. It's all up to you, you know? But I'm just saying, for me personally, I kind of see myself going in that direction. And I also see like so many people in my comments talking about kids, and y'all want me to have a child so bad. And I'm like, why you can't have a child? How about you go have a child? But if you know me, you know my love for kids. You know my love for wanting a big family and everything. And I'm still young, so I believe, well, I know it's gonna come at the right time. But it's so crazy to think that like I'm now in the time of my life where like kids are actually something that's on the table. Because I wasn't having no kids until I was married. So So it's like now that that's here, it's just like, wow, like that's actually a possibility now, basically. Like it's actually a possibility at this moment in my life, where like as before, it was always like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have kids and I'm married. Like when I'm married, and girls like now marriage is here. Like knocking on the front door. Well, no, in the house. Okay, marriage has entered the building. Like it's literally here. So it's so crazy thinking about that. But yeah, my curls feel so hydrated. And another topic I wanted to touch about was my career. So update, my editor has quit on me, y'all. Sad moments. You guys know I've had the same editor for like the past 2 or 3 years. Like we've done over 200 videos together, like, and he's informed me as of lately that he's going to be moving on to something new. So I'm so happy for him in that aspect. You know, like you have to elevate your life. You have to, everyone has something that they want to go after. So I completely understand that he is now wanting to face different endeavors and go on different endeavors. So I understand that. It just sucks for me. Cause your sis gotta literally find a whole new editor. Like, and it's hard because when you've been rocking with someone who knows, like, you know, over the past 2 to 3 years, we've learned how the other person likes things edited. We know what type of effects, we know timelines, you know, we know everything about each other. So kind of learning someone else in that area and, you know, interviewing different editors is gonna be a test and just something else on my plate. But he did give me a like 2-week notice, I would say. So that's really, really nice that I still have like a grace period to find a replacement. But yes, Danny's videography is no longer my editor. Y'all, my hair is so tangled. Like, look at this. I'm literally working with so much grace over here because I ain't trying to be bald-headed by the time I finish this twist out. So all in all, Danny, I am so happy for you for moving on into bigger and better things. I know you're gonna be so great with whatever you choose to do, and if you ever want to come back, I'll always be here. Oh yeah, guys, and he's also the one who's responsible for my bomb intro that you guys, like, that's literally become a thing of mine that you guys come here for, you guys love. It's my intro, and my editor is the one who added all the sound effects to that intro to make it really a vibe. So I wonder what am I gonna do about that? Like, that's because of him. So dang. So baby girl, I am finished with all the twists, and it literally looks like a regular twist out. That's so crazy. Oops, sorry y'all, I was making a TikTok. IG reel. But yeah, it looks like a regular twist out, and it looks most definitely juicy. I'm always so shiny after I finish twisting my hair. Like, the shine be shining. But anyway, so this is what my hair looks like. I did do some of them a tad bit larger, but I guess not really. I kind of did the same size I always do. But they most definitely do look good, y'all. Like, this may just be lit. And I'm so excited because I need to do a twist out anyway. So now I'm going to go in with the oil that I was telling you guys about and just put that all on my scalp. I was just on FaceTime with my friend, and she was like, girl, your twists are so long. Like, I know, right? It's crazy. Like, y'all, I feel like 2021 was the year of hair growth for me. So now I'm just going to massage that on in certain places. And yeah, y'all, so that's all I'm going to be doing for right now, for today. I may hit underneath the dryer to let it dry quicker, but I will come back on camera once it does dry.
Emery, FaceTime video.
Look up, FaceTime me again. Yes, ma'am.
I just had to do some blood work.
That was it. What's up, y'all? So, baby, is it the next day? Is it 2 days later? Is it 3 days later? Y'all, it is 4 days later. Let me explain to y'all why. Let me explain to you why. So, your good sis got sick, y'all. I went to Dallas for a wedding. We were outside. So, and I had on open-toe shoes. It was 40 degrees, well, 50 degrees, and we were outside for like 30 minutes. So your good sis got sick so bad. It hit me on Tuesday. I did my hair on Tuesday, I believe. It hit me that day, y'all. Oh my God. It felt like work. Like I was like, this has to be COVID. It has to be COVID. Test came back negative. Not COVID. It's just a cold. And y'all, this is the worst cold I've ever experienced. And it literally knocked Nick and I out. Okay. So I've been staying inside. Y'all, if you are having COVID-like symptoms, but it's not COVID, and it's the worst cold of your life, so many people are experiencing this, stay inside, y'all. Do not go outside, okay? So anyway, this is what my twists are looking like, and they most definitely do look good, but I was just worried because I'm like, man, I feel like since I left the twist in for so long, it's going to affect the outcome of it, because you know, you can't just keep a product in your hair for like a week and expect the twist to still be popping as if it would have been if you took it out the next day. I'm pretty excited to see what the results are going to be like. Hopefully they still, you know, do a little pop pop. So whenever it goes to taking down the twist, I'm just taking them down, and the way I always do, start from the bottom and go on up, and then ooh. That looks so good. So this side is completely out, and it really, really does look very, very good and defined and shiny. One thing I don't like is my roots. Like, y'all, look at how poofy my roots are, and just how like, they look like dried out. You see what I mean? I really do not like that. It's also because it's a refresh, but then again, it may not look that bad with the final result. So I'm gonna go and take this side out, and then we'll separate, and we're gonna see the final results of hitting for. So let's go ahead and separate, and hopefully the separation will be easy because we did detangle beforehand, and we also use bomb products. Ooh, I'm seeing a little bit of frizz. I am seeing some frizz, but a little bit of frizz is necessary. And that's the thing with like leaving your twist in for a longer period of time. It also affects the takedown process. So it may not be as good as it could have been before, but we'll see, because it still can come out popping. So you want to separate where it's naturally pulling apart, and then curl around the ends. It's giving cute, but it's giving with a tad bit of frizz. Like, look at that, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, are the end results gonna pop, or are they gonna disappoint us? We finna find out. Once again, I must say, I am shook, okay? I was not expecting these results to pop like this whatsoever. The definition, y'all, is bananas, okay? Like, it looks really, really good. Like, look at how good the definition looks on my curls. And like, look at some of these pieces, y'all. Like, that is popping. That is bomb.com. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these end results, because I honestly am shook. I did not pick my hair at all. I just separated it. But there are other options you can get to get longer results and more volume. You can, of course, stretch your twist, and you can also pick at the roots, or do it with a blow dryer to get more volume and length, whichever floats your boat. But I just wanted to show y'all the results as soon as I unraveled, and this is what it's looking like, y'all. Like, it's popping. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and in case you do want to go ahead and skip that wash day, sis, and your head ain't itching just yet, you do have some options to refresh your hair with a poppin' twist out and get like another week of wear. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. I really do hope y'all enjoyed today's tutorial, and also life update. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys feel about the life update and this tutorial, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace.